What's up XRP holders? So what's going on my friends? This is XRP price prediction, Ripple bulls at inflection point. So let's check out this brand video to what's going on XRP today as a very special day for XRP holder. But before I get start this brand video, I have one request my brother to please subscribe ABS Tech channel, because you click all the subscribe, then I updating you all cryptocurrencies. Yes, please click on the subscribe button. Hope you subscribe it. Guys, XRP price broke out. You can see here this time XRP price broke out of a bull pennant on April 10, targeting as 1.5 at US dollar. Oh my goodness, the first, you can see here the first point as target 10 April and 1.50 at US dollar. So absolutely today as 13 April, and I think they cannot cross 150 US dollar, but they are the today price as 1.47 US dollar. So absolutely they're going good. Guys, if the buying pressure persists, Ripple might surge another 16% to 1.68% or so 68 US dollar. Then they cross 1.68. Oh my goodness. But this time if you check out the latest percentage of a change occur, then absolutely very low. I think 0.19 I think the percentage of today change occur. So this time I don't know they can cross it 1.68 US dollar, but it's possible if people starting buying. Absolutely it's possible. So let's check out this time. If you can see here, the MRI shows the information of a cycle top on the 12 hours chart, suggesting and more lower. You can see here this is the good for all holder. You just check out this. Okay, so let's see to XRP price has been a tear laterally as they more tripled since late March. However, considering the overall cryptocurrency market being extended, the remittance token might be due for a correction. So your XRP remains and this is your XRP price spiked 100% from April 4 to April 6, creating a flag pole. You can see here this is very informative page. You can see here a special for all XRP holder, and this time the XRP holder the target as 1.58 US dollar. If they go like this price, you can see here the technical formation processed a 50% of saving determined by measuring the flagpole's height and adding to the breakout points. So absolutely they're going up, they can cross it 1.58 US dollar. So since breaking out, you can see here this time this is very important. So you can see here this not this since you can see what, just a minute man, I show you this time. If you can see here, since out of the pennant, XRP price has soared nearly 42% to 1.50 US dollar, but failed to hit a target at 1 point. Yes, absolutely they failed to hit a target 1.58 US dollar, and this is the reason to people starting selling. Absolutely the reason as that to people starting selling. It might head towards the immediate supply barrier at 1.68 US dollar created by the momentum reversal indicator. You can see here breakout line this time. They are, if they cannot change, you can see here not this time result. You can see here this time this is the main point to the breakout. The target cannot achieve. You can see here the target cannot complete, and this is the point. You can see here this is the big reason on this time, but otherwise they gone very special, very gone like a rocket. Absolutely they can cross the target, and they, I hope they cross 2 US dollar also, but it's not possible because they take a this type break. So absolutely they're gone down. So my friend, my holder, my all XRP holder, I hope in upcoming days they go like a rocket. Absolutely, and I updating you to what's the new target of XRP holder. Please just subscribe our YouTube channel. I updating you every news or good news or bad news. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.